here's the sitch. Today we're driving 6 hours to go to my dad's parents, my grandparents' house. Don't know what this vlog is gonna look like, but I guess we'll find out. I am gonna read a lot though. I have to finish my goal of reading 4 books before the end of 2018. I've read half of 2 books, so the equivalent of 1 book. I'm on my way. I think I'm gonna do it.
Is this what Santa does?
Kinda.
Packs it up
I
on
told
his
Dad this is what it would be
truck.
like if he had a son.
And what did he say? He didn't say anything. He just nodded and really approved.
You gonna get up in there? Go. Hop in. Go. Go on. Go on. Come on. You can do it.
He's not jumping up there.
You can do it. Oh! Oh, she missed. I feel bad. I help. Can I put her up there?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know if we had to pack more things. What'd you think, Molly? Yeah. You coming with us?
Stay in the middle lane.
She looks regal.
Ironic. Irony. Is this what triggered that for you?
Yeah. Does that mean you need to change your ways, or does that
Yeah.
mean look at you as a healthy person?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I don't know where'd this come
This is my dad circa 1984. Look at that nerd.
Listen. All I did was sit in the car all day, and I'm exhausted. What are y'all up to today? Tomorrow I'm looking forward to working a puzzle, so stay tuned for that.